All right, guys, today we're doing lemon orange sour cream cookies. Take one. I have to read it. Okay, so while we was in Florida, and we are back, I went to thrift store, of course, and I got this book. Rosie's Bakery Chocolate Packed Jam-Filled Butter-Rich No Holds Barred Cookie Book. Guys, this right here, I know it's a little piece of paper, but I've got recipes on both sides full, plus I haven't been all the way through the book that I'm going to try. So this one is out of this book. This is a brand new book. I gave $2.99 for it. And it's hardback, so I'm good with that. Is he laughing at me? So first off, oven is preheated to 400 degrees. And then I've got, starting off with 1 cup of cake flour. Now, if you don't have cake flour, use all-purpose flour. Take out 2 tablespoons. Put in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. You got your cake flour. But I just happen to have some today. And now I'm going to put in just a half a cup of regular all-purpose flour.
Bam!
Just like that. And now I have half a teaspoon of salt already in here. I'm going to put in half a teaspoon of baking powder. And a half a teaspoon of baking soda.
That's a lot of baking stuff going on.
That's because we bake it. All right. So I'm going to put that in with that. I'm just going to mix it up a little bit with my mixer. Get her all incorporated.
You love that mixer, don't you?
I do. It's been to Florida about 3 times. Take it with me. All right, so we got all that.
So what you're saying is that you love it so much you just take it on vacation with you.
Yes, that's exactly what I'm saying. And then, let me read you guys directions. I have 1 stick of just butter in here. I have 1 cup of white sugar. Okay. And 1.5 tablespoons of orange zest. We just happen to have oranges because we came back from Florida. So that's going in there too. And we're going to put in 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. Or so about. Good enough. And now we're just going to mix all that up. Guys, we went to the Punta Gorda area in Florida. It's so beautiful down there. If anybody's been to the Vasani dinner theater or comedy theater, whatever they're doing, that place was pretty cool. If you've been there, let us know and see what you liked or what you saw. We saw a tribute Elton John, Billy Joel. We went to Naples to the big store, Seed to Table. Check that one out if you've never checked that store out. They had a live band in there. And they have restaurants. The place is cool. It's not cheap because it's Naples. But Billy did get a pack of strawberries for $3, but couldn't eat them because it didn't taste very good.
Bummer, huh?
Some are not good. And this smells nice and citrusy. We went to Inglewood Beach. That place is cool. Got all kinds of shells there. Usually when I find shells, they're all broke and everything. Found whole shells at Inglewood, so that was good. I don't know that I've ever found a whole big shell before. Alright, pause here for a minute. I get this. Alright guys, now we're going to add 1 egg. I got that all mixed up in there. Mix that up for hair. And now we have a half a cup of sour cream. And the lemon part of this cookie comes in on the glaze. So orange cookie inside, glaze, lemon glaze on top. And the sour cream right here. Oops. Okay. Can't let none get out. Let's mix that up just a little bit. All right, now we have our flours, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. We're going to put all that in there. Mix that up a little bit. All right. Looks like we have a cake batter. Or cookie batter. It's thick with 2 C's.
Or some kind of batter.
All right. Let me stir that up a little bit. Sometimes it doesn't just get all the way to the bottom. You need to stir that up. All right. Now I've got my big cookie scoop. And instead of parchment paper, I'm using my silicone. So we're going to put some cookies on here. We'll put 6 on here. We're going to bake them for about 10 minutes.
So you don't put no nuts in them?
No. You got vanilla. That's all you're getting this time. We're doing citrus.
I still think it'd be good with some almonds or something in it.
Or maybe I'll make you one with almonds in it. Or macadamias or something.
Ooh.
All right. Macadamia might be okay because it's Hawaii. It goes citrusy. I don't know. 400-degree oven, 10 minutes. We'll be back. All right. My sous chef did me up some lemon juice here. Squeeze some lemons. So we're going to make the drizzle that goes on the top. So I have 2 tablespoons of butter right here. I'm just going to whip it up just a minute. Right here. Whip it up. So the room temperature, but the room temperature here is not very warm. All right. And put in 1 cup of powdered sugar. Woo! Maybe.
Hey, keep it in the bowl,
I
eh?
can't. I should have got a deeper bowl. You know, I always say that.
You always say that. But then you wouldn't be able to see it.
Yeah. Then we're going to put in some of that lemon juice. And you just do it to the consistency that you want for this. If you want to drizzle it or if you want to put icing on it.
Oh, you're going to want that icing on it.
Yeah. The good stuff.
Man, I wish we had some milk.
He's only said
DoorDash.
that. Yeah, we've never DoorDashed before.
Never.
Well, I don't have that kind of money. Plus, we live in the country a little bit. I don't know if they do that or not. They may, but...
Connie is my DoorDash.
Look at this. It's going everywhere.
Hey,
yeah.
Quit making a mess. You gonna need more juice?
Probably. I got some still in there.
Let's say I can juice up some more.
He was wanting peanut butter cookies last night so bad.
And somebody wouldn't make them.
I was making dog treats instead. I sold the dog treats. Which one's good?
I would have bought cookies from you.
All right. There is our icing all over the table. All right, took them out of the oven, 400-degree oven, and they was in my oven for 11 minutes. We have our glaze here, and it is smelling all citrusy up in here. It just smells so good. So we're going to let these cool, and when we get a cool one, we'll do a taste test. All right, guys. We've got our cookie. It's cool. It's not cold, so it's still a little warm. And it sunk a little bit in the center. You put some glaze on it, nobody even know. So we're going to put some of this lemon glaze on our lemon orange sour cream cookies.
And I tasted the batter, and it's fantastic.
Here's what we got. It's more cakey. Let's see.
Did they get the wiggle?
Oh.
Yeah, those are going to be addictive right there.
Yep. I'd say, guys, you need to try this recipe. These are delicious. If you like a soft, cakey cookie.
I don't normally, but I think I'm going to love these.
He tasted that batter, and he tasted the icing, and he's like,
Yeah.
I said they'd probably be better tomorrow, even after all those flavors get through that cookie.
If they make it.
So, how many I made 12, 13, 14, 15, 17 cookies is what it makes with the scoop that I used. So you could probably get 18 out of it. So a dozen and a half. We might be going to the store to get him some milk, because he'll be wanting more than one of these.
Oh, my.
All right, guys. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and hype, please. And help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and
Mr. Smith Show.
Peace out, guys. Lemon orange sour cream cookies. Yum.
Later, Gators.